Ryan.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's making a great night, folks. And all you folks in the Midwest, stay warm. Make sure you do not go outside without covering up big time. We got a major polar vortex coming in. Don't make assumptions. Assume nothing. In any kind of relationship, we can make the assumption that others know what we think, and we don't have to say what we want because they are going to do what we want because they know us so well. If they don't do what we want, we feel hurt, and we think, how could you do that? You should know. Bottom line, folks, get rid of the gray. Keep it black and white. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials traded up 51, NASDAQ down 57, S&Ps off 4.5, gold contract up $7, trading at $13.10 an ounce. We had silver up 7 cents, $15.84 an ounce. Light sweet crude up $1.16, $53.15 a barrel. Notes and bonds, you got the 10-year note up 9 ticks, 120, 125, 30-year bond up 18, 145.21. King dollar up 96 ticks, trading 95.520. The euro is trading at 114.34 to 1 US dollar. The yen is out here at 109.35, and the British pound is at 130.72. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. So, first off, let's go to the world of the UK, because the bottom line is that we're going to have lots of movement out here tonight inside of the pound, inside the euro. If we go over to the pound first and take a look at it, what you have out here is that they got an amendment passed over in the UK about 20 minutes ago. That bottom line is that Theresa May is going to be going back to the European Union and try to renegotiate this deal. The European Union came out as soon as this was done and said, hey, listen, we'll let you extend the deal. Bottom line, they don't want to extend the deal. They want a new deal without the Irish backstop. So that's the first thing they want. We'll see how this shakes out. The pound out here today, the pound went from a price point of 132. Right now, you're at 130.78. We take a look at the euro. The euro, of course, hasn't really caught a bid yet, as the pound did. Euro basically sideways move out here today. You're at 114.36. Market-wise out here, so check it out. This is where it's going to be great. 25% of all the S&P stocks, folks, are going to be giving their numbers out this week. So this is one of the largest weeks out here inside the S&P. If we take a look at this right now, the SPY's trading closed at 263.41. Bottom line, sideways move, light volume. That's telling me still the SPY wants to go to 270. Now, what's so cool about this, there's going to be a lot of numbers coming out, and we're going to have the yin and the yang on all of them. So, Amgen just come across the tape. Amgen, AMGN, not Amazon, Amgen. Okay, so Amgen closed at 192.11. That is trading right now at 187. So you got that down $5. Let's go see what Amgen has to say. Earnings per share estimate was $3.27. They made $3.42. They see fiscal year earnings at the midpoint. Their view misses the lowest estimate. So bottom line is that for the revenue for the 2019, they expect, the estimate had been $22.9 billion. That's the high end of them now. Now they're expecting 21.8 to 22.9. So that baby is down 5 points. We'll go take a look at this is always this is always a big one too. You get Align Technologies. The low for the year is 177. The high is 398. This closed at 222, and this baby is trading at 194. And if we take a look at this, what you're going to see is that it's going to be interesting too, because this had a big gap in it. If I bring this back, Yeah, this has been this is going to be only the second gap. This is pretty intense actually, because the last gap it was actually pushing up to this gap and almost looked like it could go into it, but now you're going to have another gap away. And what number did I say? 177 is the low. 194. So it's not going to go after the low, but it's going to go after the low of. Oh, look at it. It's going right after the low. That was established out here January 4th. That was 177, and right now you're trading 177. XAU and the HUI, if you happen to be in the metals market, folks, both performing really well. The XAU today up $1.87. Now we'll get the volumes on these. I don't get them until 8 o'clock at night. But it looks to me like we're going to have taken out that swing point with volume. And if that's what you got, you're going to have a nice ABC structure on the way up in both of them. The A point on the XAU is approximately 63. Your B is 73. So it's not bad. That gives you a 77 price projection. Inside the Gold Bugs Index, same type of setup. The Gold Bugs Index today was up $4.17. You took out the swing point. Let's see. So your 8 point on this is 142. You get 19 bucks. No, but even better, $22. So that gives you 170.72. Right now you're at 165. Yeah, this is going to the top of the range, top of all these ranges. And if you'd like to check out the gold report, folks, real easy to do. Just come over to our website at TFNN, go into featured content. You can check out the gold report, get it for a month, 6 months, a year, all with a 30-day money-back guarantee. This metals market is on the run, folks. That's the bottom line. What hasn't broken down yet, though, is the dollar. The dollar got below this 95.830 point, but you still got light volume. And that's going to be all about the pound and the euro. The pound went topside pretty good. Bottom line, this vote out here today, now it's basically dicey again. We had a sideways movement inside of the pound today, but it still looks to me that you do want higher price. It's going to be the euro. Movement in the euro. The euro's, trading 114. It's the movement in the euro that will get that dollar going. The euro has also been a one-way trip since 08. I mean, the euro is at 160. Now you're at 114. You talk about losing some wealth, man. Pretty intense. Stay right there, folks. We come right back. And, of course, at 4:30, Apple's coming out with their numbers. Market's going to be watching that. Come right back.